Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a tips and tricks video for people that want to browse the web and browse the web in a private manner. There's something called in private mode. So for example, here in Microsoft Edge, when you click on the menu on the upper right corner, you have new in private window. What's that? The in private window is there to make the browsing that you will do private, meaning once you close the browser, there's no traces within your computer of where you went and what did you look at on the web. So it's a nice functionality. It's available in every type of browser. So if we look here at Google Chrome, for example, so if you open Google Chrome and you want to go into a in private browsing mode, once again, you can go on the upper right corner, little three dots, and you see in Chrome it's called new Incognito window. So this is the same as a in private mode. So what you need to understand about this is, yes, it will not keep the data and the information on your computer. It will prevent your, anybody around you from actually knowing what you did during your incognito browsing session. But what it does not, and a lot of people are confused at this, is that incognito mode or in private mode does not prevent your organization, the company you work for, your internet service provider, or online advertisers from seeing what you do. It is not for that purpose. It's only for the purpose of, in your own little world with people around you, they will not see what you've been doing on the internet. But for the rest, it's not a encrypted session. It's not something that will prevent you from being seen on the internet and what you do. If the company you work for example, logs every website you go to, they will see where you went to. It's not the purpose of in private or incognito mode. You got to use a VPN or other types of, utility or whatever to make sure that nobody sees what you're doing. So that's incognito mode in Google Chrome that you can access from the upper right corner in the little three dots and go into new incognito window. It will prevent the logging on your PC of what you did on the internet. In Microsoft Edge also, you can have it in the upper right corner with three dots, and it's called new in private window. And pretty much every browser has an equivalent. So if you look in the menus, you will see that you can easily open a incognito mode in pretty much every browser, or in private, depending on how they call it, depending on your browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.